There you are.
This is the first time I saw one.
Hey, buddy. Where are you going?
Next to some spooky old bones.
Where are you going, buddy?
I couldn't get it to move. It would move when I was far enough away.
Go ahead.
A beautiful creature I never thought I would see. After doing a lot of research, I found out they live in burrows and spent quite a while searching for an active burrow until one day I found one. I spent a lot of time searching for a tortoise, even at night. I never find a tortoise at night, though I did find giant black widow spiders. And another. And another. During the day,
Right again.
while searching, I found a horny toad. Plenty of cactus. The whole rainbow with a beautiful beginning. Then one day,
Hi, buddy.
I found a tortoise again,
Who are you?
though I still couldn't get it to move.
You're a cutie.
Many mornings and nights passed, and finally, I found a tortoise again. I actually got to see it go into its burrow, which is amazing. What a beautiful creature. I am full of amazement, and I hope you find your inspiration and happiness. I'll keep looking. See you soon. Thanks for watching.